Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today we are going to restore some black iron metal. We've got some rusty and dull fencing, railings, and stairwells that we want to restore on the exterior of this home. We not only want to paint this iron to make it look great again, we also want to prevent it from degrading, and we want to stop this rust. The first step in this process is to clean up the existing iron. We're going to use a heavy-duty stainless steel brush. We're going to focus on the corners and focus on any areas with rust and peeling paint. For larger jobs, you can use a wheel brush to make this part of the process go a little bit quicker. Once you've cleaned up the iron, it's time to prime. We're going to use a rusty metal primer from Rustoleum, and we're going to apply it using a 4-inch mini roller. We're using this small roller because it's easy to get into all the corners and small details that we have on the fencing and the stairs. And now it's time to use the Rustoleum oil-based paint. We're going with a satin finish. We're going to apply the paint with a 4-inch roller once again, and we're going to apply 2 coats of this oil-based paint on top of the primer. As you can see, the before and the after is pretty dramatic. We started with a very dull and rusty looking surface, and now we have a beautiful black finish that can withstand some extreme weather. It's all about prepping the surface, priming the surface, and then painting the surface to achieve dramatic before and after results. As always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.